How to make Wix website look good on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the Wix website, and after that go to the section of my sites. You will be able to open it up by clicking on the top left hand side corner and then go to the section of my sites. Over there you will be able to find all the sites associated with you. Since I don't have any site as of now, that's why it is showing me this way. But for you, you will be able to see all the sites associated or linked with your Wix account. Then after that, just simply select any particular site that you want to make mobile friendly, and after that open it up. And this way you would be able to open up that particular site and see the options such as site actions. Just simply click on that particular option. It will say just like this, site actions. Just simply click on it. After that, select the option of edit site. Since this is not a website, since I don't have any site as of now, that's why I cannot see the edit option here as well. But for you, you will be able to see the option of edit site. Just simply click on that particular edit site button. After that, you will be able to find a panel on the top. Just simply click on the option of switch to mobile. This way you would be able to switch the view from desktop to mobile, and you would be able to understand how your site is looking on the mobile version, and this way you would be able to make changes to it. Just check out all the pictures which are not fitting the mobile version properly. Just simply click on that particular picture and replace it with another picture, and all you have to do for the edits is just simply select that particular area of your website, and you would be able to see all the editing options right beside it. Like you can change the color of text, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can make any changes to it just the way you do it for the desktop version. And this way you would be able to do a and this way you would be able to make your site look good on desktop version, on mobile version as well. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.